Hey everyone, we are back with another trade recap. Today is Friday, May 22nd, and we took this trade right here. You can see on the screen with the execution marks. We were long today, bullish bias, so I'm going to go over that. Alright, so firstly, before the market open, let's take a look at what we're looking at. I was mainly leaning bullish due to the price action. These 1 hour closes are pretty bullish. And we're near all-time highs. We're going for these 1 hour highs, and we have a bearish fair value gap here we disrespected. So that is more of a bullish bias, right? Disrespecting bearish gaps, respecting bullish gaps on the 4 hour time frame. We are also looking pretty bullish going into pre-market, and these highs look like an obvious draw. If you zoom out a bit here, it's like a market maker buy model if you follow ICT concepts. And even on the daily chart, we are basically disrespecting this daily bearish fair value gap. We haven't quite got it close, but yeah, you can see just how close we are to all-time highs there. So that had me inclined to believe we are bullish bias for the day, and the draw is higher. But price action wasn't exactly super smooth, so going into 9:30 open here, we did have a 5-minute bullish fair value gap open up. I was looking to take a trade off of this if we got an entry, but we did not get an entry. Price just kind of chopped down, so I decided to let price action do its thing for a while and see if we get another setup. And then we eventually made it down here at 10:20. I had this key level pre-marked. I was looking to see this get manipulated. This was a 15-minute bullish fair value gap that formed in the pre-market hours. And at the same time, MES also hit a 5-minute fair value gap, I believe, and was showing some strength off of that. So once we hit this, I maintained my bullish bias and I started to look for an entry. And on the highest time frame fair value gap I could find, since I look for inversions for my setup, we did have this 3-minute gap get inversed. It's not the biggest gap, but it is a gap. So that was inversed on the 3-minute, showing some strength. So that is where I took my entry. I had this key level pre-marked out. I made this my break even. So when price hit this key level, I moved my stop to break even, just in case it takes liquidity here and comes back down. Don't want to make that a loss for no reason. Then this key level here was where I had my take profit. This was a high inside of a 5-minute gap. So that is often a strong draw for price to go to. So yeah, that's where we hit our TP. It was a bit conservative, not quite a 2-to-1, but a little better than a 1-to-1. So I'm happy with that. Gotta take what you can get, and we do have these highs here that I believe they'd probably get hit. We'll see what happens. I'm sure some people have their TP at these highs. Price action is still pretty bullish, so there is a high probability we do hit those. But yeah, we started the morning hours pretty strong, came up, formed this high, went down a bit, manipulated this key level, and this was the spot to enter for the day. So if you got an entry off of this, that was a good trade. But yeah, that wraps up the trade recap for today. Thank you for watching. Any comments are appreciated. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.